paint, nice. And the color blue mist. Again, Olympic epoxy pool paint in the color blue mist. Same result. Yeah. Doesn't have any water in it yet. We should come back and get some pictures of it when it does. It's amazing. So that is your completed swimming pool. Epoxy pool paint, epoxy products. Zeron blue mist color. Beautiful. It's the lightest of the blues. Get a little bit of wind from that that kicks up. Pool's not entirely spotless. Wind, a little bit of dust and debris, but that's what you got. That's what you're looking at. How we need to